Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So gonna do a little bit of inspection here. We have activity outside of all three hives. So we've made it thus far. One of the things you definitely want to make sure is that you got enough, especially here in Lake Ohio, that you have enough sugar and stuff to get them through. We never know how March and stuff like that's going to be around here, including April. So we want to make sure we have enough stores. So I wanted to kind of get in here and see what we got going on. Got plenty of sugar in that one. Plenty of sugar, they're looking good. They got about half of it ate, but I'd say there's about half of it there. Actually, I may just give them just a little something since I'm here. Why not? All I do is just take regular old granulated sugar, a little sugar water, dry it in front of a fan, or you can even dry it in your oven if you want to. Bees aren't picky. Move you guys over here. Sorry about the wind. It's Ohio, it's always windy here. All of these were packages that I installed in the middle of April. I probably went a little overkill with leaving boxes on. I did get 15 gallons of honey from these three hives. The two hives on the end were obviously my biggest producers. Where did my hive tool go? guys over in here so you can see. This is all filled with sugar. See, we've got some dead bees and stuff up here, but we got a lot of bees up here in the top box. So we're going to fill this one up with some, give them a little extra something here to make it. That simple. So I'll turn you guys back on here if anything cool happens in the last hive.